Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, in today's session, I am going to tell you about QPython. QPython is the Python engine for the Android and you can install it from the Play Store. As I have already installed this app in my Android phone. It contains some amazing features such as Python interpreter, runtime environment, editor, QPy, SL4A library. It makes it easy for you to use Python on the Android and it's free. So let us discuss today about some of the arithmetic operators which we can use in the Python. You have performed operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on the numbers and variables in mathematics. In any mathematical expression, the operation to be performed is denoted by an operator and the data or the values on which the operation is performed are known as operands. For example, x plus y. In this expression, variables x and y are operands and the symbol plus is the operator. Let's see few examples now. If you want to add two numbers, you have to use plus operator. It is also called addition operator in Python. In this way, you can add the numbers by using addition operator. Same way, if you want to add two or more numbers, the numbers can be of the type integer, float or mixed. Then you have to type the command like this and after that press the enter key after typing each command. The sum in each case will be displayed in the next line as shown here. In the same way, the next type of arithmetic operator which we use in Python, it is subtraction operator. The symbol minus. The symbol minus. The symbol minus is used to subtract one number from another number. The symbol minus is used to subtract one number from the another number. In this, you have to type the following command. After typing each command, you have to press enter key. The difference in each case will be displayed in the next line as shown here. Next, we will talk about multiplication operator. The multiplication symbol is used to multiply two or more numbers. In this, you have to type the following command and then press the enter key after typing each command. The product in each case will be displayed in the next line as shown here. Next type of operator which we use in Python, it is division operator. The division symbol is used to find the quotient when a number is divided by another number. For this also you have to type the following command and press enter key after typing each command. The quotient in each case will be displayed in the next line like this. Next, which operator we are going to discuss, it is modulus operator. The symbol modulus is used to find the remainder when a number is divided by the another number. After typing the following command, you have to press enter key after typing the command. The remainder in each case will be displayed in the next line. Like this. in this way you can apply the commands in Python, QPython for Android, and you can get the answer on the next line like this. So in this way you have studied about 7 type of QPython operators. Number 1, it was addition operator. Second, it was subtraction operator. Third, multiplication operator. Fourth, division operator. Fifth, modulus operator. Sixth, floor division operator. So today you have learned about the arithmetic operators which we can use in the Python. So in this way you can also try these commands on your own Android phone. So hope you all have learned these operators properly, and try to do you will try all these commands on your own Android phone. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much.